The first thing we need to do is set positions 1 and 2 with World Edit and create a new region for our shrine. Once that's done, enter /shrine editor. Choose Create Shrine and type the name of the shrine we want to create in the chat. If we click on our shrine, there are various properties we can modify, such as the name, the description, how it appears in the teleportation menu, and much more. In this case, we need to modify the region field and enter the name of the previously set region. In the rewards section, you can use the variable %player% to refer to the player. These are other messages that appear to the player based on the status of the shrine. In the item section, you can modify how the item appears in the teleportation menu, which I'll show you shortly. Now, we need to conclude the configuration of our shrine. If you see that upon entering, it's still not working, we can enter /rginfo, select the shrine's region, click on Flags, search for shrine entry, and select Allow. We've completed the shrine's configuration. If you encounter any issues, the Discord link is in the description.